genre of character versus horror, thriller, suspense. Sa Hollywood kasi now, napapansin si Demi Moore for the substance, and then yung reaction nila is finally may napapansin ng acting piece for horror, suspense. Do you think, locally speaking, mas mahirap magpapansin as an actress if that is your genre?
I think ultimately, if that were the goal, it is really very difficult to achieve. I think for us, or at least I'd like to speak for myself, in terms of being recognized, it is something that just follows, at least for me. The main goal for me is really to affect the audience. Mas yun yung lagi kong iniisip. Pag inisip mo kasi, okay, you come on set and you think, kailangan mapansin yung ano ka dito, pag-arte ko dito, or kailangan ma-recognize ang pag-arte ko dito, mahihirapan ka talaga to be at par with the kind of standard that you're putting up for yourself, no? I like to think that any particular project, movie like ours, is always a collaborative effort, no? So, while I want to top the best that I have done prior to this project, I also don't want to take away the amazing abilities of those I am working with at the moment. I am part of, so I'm a member of the Academy for IMEs. I judge for them. I judge also for Asian Academy almost yearly, and also an elite member of the Asian Academy. So when you are part of an academy and award-giving bodies that are international, you get to see the whole different world that they can also offer. So makikita mo yung pagkakaiba ng mga gawa natin dito sa Pilipinas at pagkakaiba ng sa lahat, no? And while Demi Moore is being recognized now for The Substance, it's a super amazing film. Iba rin kasi yung, so iba rin talaga yung timing ng lahat. And much as I want to compare my timing to theirs, and even our timing as our film industry in the Philippines to theirs, medyo malayo pa talaga tayo doon. Sa totoo, to be frank, in terms of technicality, ang hirap niyan. Yung mga gamit nilang equipment, we are striving always for that. Oras.
Which means money.
Yeah, and training. Kasi sa Hollywood, di ba, pag nandun ka, they only take one film a year, two, maybe the most. They have time to prepare, lose the weight, gain the weight, transform. While in the Philippines, we're not as fortunate just yet. I'd like to believe na darating din tayo doon kasi tayo naman, ang bilis natin mag-adapt. Kailangan lang talaga natin ng mga taong magtitiwala sa atin. At kung wala pang pera mula dito, bakit naman hindi tayo mag-open din talaga ng mga producers? And that's also the reason why Rain is doing such an amazing job, Rain Entertainment, because we are shooting the films here, we are taking all the abilities of, our resources here as Filipinos, taking it abroad. So makikita mo, it's not just caretakers they have done very well with. Alam ko naman na ang premise talaga is to really bring caretakers outside of the country, show it to the entire world, and definitely, create more. So, to your question, feeling ko lang ako, pagdating sa pag-arte in terms of an actress, mas hindi mo siya makakompare on how they do it abroad because their stories are different. Substance, pag dito mo yan ginawa, medyo iba pa ang reception natin, I would assume, no?
Meron ka relate kasi hindi ko pa napapanood.
Pero diba, parang, I'm sure you get what I mean, no? Different talaga. Kasi nga, iba ang kultura nila, iba sa atin. At iba rin yung gauge ng galing natin. I'd like to think ang mga Filipinos, hindi mo talaga, it's not the same playing field, eh. Hindi siya mas mataas, hindi rin siya mas mababa, hindi rin siya pantay, pero magkaiba siya. Kasi yung storytelling natin as people, as actors, are so different from how they tell their stories. So once we get a hold of who we truly are as artists, as creative, as Filipino, having that DNA in all of us, and not be able to compare our work to the kind of work that they do, what they achieve, what gets recognized there, that's when we will all really truly thrive as a film industry. Kasi ma-embrace na natin fully yung pwede nating ibigay. So, yun, mahirap siya kasi pag napanood mo siya, medyo, I get what you mean na parang, yung acting dito, biruin mo ngayon lang after so many decades, diba? Pero ang husay din niya kasi talaga.
Sorry.
My question is, sa Philippines ba, do you think pag ang piece mo ay suspense or horror?
Mas mahirap
is it more difficult for you to
Kaya sabi ko,
consider for acting, whatever.
I truly understand your point, and I love it, and I do agree with everything that Dimples has said. But I have a very precise answer to your question because this is partly my main genre, horror and suspense perhaps, and I have been recognized, and I say this with all gratitude and humility, not arrogance, please. It was in Sigaw that I received my Urian Award.
Okay.
For Best Supporting Actress. I haven't had another one since then. I've done a lot of drama films.
Sweeping for you, mas madali pag...
It's not mas madali. It really is just... I'll get to that later.
Okay.
And then in Bliss, that was when I received a citation in Osaka. And that is like a suspense horror kind of film. And so it really is, it's not really always about the genre. It is about the story. It is about how you did in that film. It's, you know, it's the role, it's the timing, it's a lot of things. But to say that it is harder to be recognized, because maybe what they're talking about is like mainstream horror sa kanila, but I think suspense, like a David Lynch film, would probably be kind of like suspense. No, it shouldn't be hard, but maybe how, kasi lang if you compare it to a drama of a Meryl Streep, diba, nung araw, but of course, it really depends on the material. So, and the role. And again, Demi Moore maybe playing this before would not have been able to deliver as much. I don't know her personally, but maybe it's really timing. It came to her hands at the perfect time. And then, in terms of just, kasi Dimples touched on this, which is not part of your question per se, but us Filipinos knowing who we are and really staying true to our roots and really, I think, telling Filipino stories and then being funded by the Philippines and even, you know, properly funded. I think Filipino talent, I really will say, is worthy of and is capable of doing so many things. Diba? Yung kung talent, we do not lack that. There, but we are getting every year closer and closer to and always just getting better. But we I think are at the cusp of just, you know, we always cite Korea. How did the Korea do this? I think we are very capable of bringing our culture and our talent outside of the Philippines, whether it be regional or on the global platform. I think we can really be at par with how excellent we are in terms of talent. Now, the other things we are working on them. Yeah.